Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And when you go through Windows 11, we often talk about the inconsistencies and how it's a mix of old code, it's a mix of new code, it's a mix of new menus, a mix of old stuff. So we have, of course, the standard menus that we have in general, including the settings menu, which are brand new, but you're confronted regularly with going to the control panel with, of course, its old interface and feels like Windows XP more than anything else. But one of the things that is also within the old legacy code is the funniest thing is when you use Microsoft Edge and you go into the three dots, then go into more tools, you got a section called Internet Options. And if you been using Internet Explorer and old Windows XP and in Windows 7, you will immediately see this as the old settings from the good old days. Still the same menu, old menu from almost Windows 98, I guess. So it's pretty crazy when you look at it. Still has all the internet properties and stuff there. Just like the old times, and you even have the delete temporary files, histories, cookies, password stuff. It's just crazy when you think about it that you can still go into some of these legacy menus within Windows 11. It's just crazy, and these menus are more than 10 years old. It's just crazy. But just wanted to show you the legacy code left behind that can be accessed at different parts of Windows. It's amazing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.